Hello students, welcome to Python programming language online classes. Today I am going to explain about the concept of GU related. GU related concept is what actually in today's discussion getting input with entry widget. Actually getting input, getting input with entry widget. Entry is also one of the widget. So I think you have I think you have seen in somewhere text boxes. You have seen text boxes. So the text box, if you enter the input in that, so that is also a text box. It is collecting the input from the user. But here also getting input from the user by using entry widget. So till now for the label creation purpose, label method we are calling. For the button creation purpose, button method we are calling. So for that, if you get the input from the user, for that entry method we are calling, it will show the one text box for us. Okay, so like that we can use the entry widget. Entry is also one of the GUI widget, intermodule widget. Okay, so now in this session I would like to explain that one, entry widget. Okay, now let us start our session. Okay, getting input with the entry widget. An entry widget is a rectangular area that the user can type input into. You use the entry widget's get method to receive the data that has been typed into the widget. Actually, if you use the entry method, it will generate one text box as in the window. It will generate one text box in the window. So if you enter the input, if you enter the value in that text box, so how it will collect the text box from the entry widget? By using get method. By using get method, we can get that input value which is given by the user. We will get by using get method. So after getting that value by using get method, we can use in our program that one. Okay, an entry widget is a rectangular area that the user can type text into. Entry widgets are used to gather input in GUI program. Now I will show what is the input value. So here carefully observe on this diagram. Carefully observe on this output. Enter a distance in kilometers. This is a label. After that one text box given, empty text box. So this text box allows to the input by the user. This text box will allows to the user input. So by reading this line, user need to enter the value. So enter a distance in kilometers. So by reading that one, immediately some distance they will enter. Some distance in the kilometer format they will enter. So it will convert as a miles. By clicking this button, convert method it will execute. Kilometers will convert into miles. That message also will display on that. Right here, 2 frames they have created. For the label and text box purpose, 1 frame created. For the convert and quite buttons purpose, bottom frame created. Right? First, now I want to import intermodule and intermodule message box. For that notepad I am opening import intermodule and import inter dot message box. So 2 modules I have imported. What are the requirement we have? Those 2 modules I have imported. Now I am creating the kilometers. I am creating the kilo converter GUI. That is class name. Class kilo converter. GUI is the class name. Now one indentation space. Now I am defining the init method to underscore symbol init and again to underscore symbol. Self is the keyword. After that colon symbol, 2 indentation spaces. Self dot main underscore window I want to create equal to inter dot t inter dot uh, tk method we need to call. So after that, so here main window object created. Now I want to create two frames. Self dot top underscore frame, here tinter dot frame method we are using. Inside frame self dot, where we have to create that frame by using in the main window. So that's why self dot main underscore window we have to create. After that again bottom frame, bottom underscore frame we have created by using inter dot frame method. Same parameter we are passing, because the bottom frame is also we need to create in the main window, right? So here created. Now two frames created. Now I want to create the labels in top frame. Now I want to create the labels in top frame. Self dot prompt underscore label. This is label name. Actually this is label name, prompt label. And now tinter. So if you want to change this one, you also change, no problem. Prompt underscore label and equal to tinter dot label method we are using. Inside self dot top underscore frame, because of in the top frame we are placing the label, comma. Next text I want to display on the label now. Enter a distance in kilometers. Enter a distance in kilometers. After that so that is enough, comma, not required at last. Again do self again dot input alone na, enter a distance in kilometers. Now I have created this one. Enter a distance in kilometers. After that text box we need to create na. After that text box, so for the text box purpose, kilo entry is the label name. Self dot kilo underscore entry is the label name equal to tinter dot entry is the method. It will create the text box. Self dot top underscore frame, comma. How much width you want to specify here? 10 digits of space we have to mention here. 10 digits it will accept. The input field by using entry method, it will accept only 10 digits width only. So that's why width equal to 10 I have restricted here with the width variable, right? Next I have created label and text box by using entry keyword. By using input entry widget, I have created the text box here. And now I want to pack this label and input box, label and entry widgets. So for that self dot prompt underscore label dot pack method. It will arrange the side equal to left. From left to right it will arrange a pack method. Self dot kilometers na, kilo something, what is that name here? Input value kilo underscore entry, self dot kilo underscore entry is the method. Kilo dot entry is the label name. Pack method side equal to left we have to use. Because of these two text box and labels side by side, it will arrange by the pack method in the window, in the frame. In the frame side by side, in the top frame side by side, it will allocate the space. Side by side it will arrange the pack method in the top frame. So now the first label and the text box, entry, by using those two widgets, we have placed it in the top frame. Now in the bottom we have to create the buttons. Self dot calculation underscore button. So in the simple form we can use the CALC button, okay, equal to inter dot button. Inter dot button method we are using in this where we have to create this one in the bottom field now. So that's why self dot bottom underscore frame we have created, bottom underscore frame. After that text we need to mention text in the button. What text it will display? What text it will display? Convert is the button. Convert is the button. After that command command self dot convert method, it should be call. It is a callback function. Command equal to self dot convert. Self dot convert method I have called it. Next one, self dot quit button. Quit button. Okay. Self dot quit underscore button. Quit button equal to tick inter button method self dot bottom frame text equal to quit. After that command command equal to self dot main underscore window dot destroy, destroy, right? So two buttons created in the bottom frame. Now I want to pack these two frames. I want to pack these two buttons. Self dot calculation underscore button dot pack method, and in the pack method side equal to left I have configured. At left side it will be configured, right? Again self method dot next method is what? Quit underscore button dot pack side equal to left side it can align. Now I want to pack the frames. Self dot top underscore frame dot pack of self dot bottom underscore frame dot pack. So these two frames also packed, and inter dot main loop we have used it. Now convert method we need to use. Convert method we need to define na. Convert method def, sorry, def to define the convert method. To define the convert method, self is the parameter. Now kilo is the variable equal to float of self dot kilo, float of dot kilo dot entry. Get method na, why it is converting? If you enter the kilometers, then it will convert into a mile. So if you enter means entry widget, if in the entry widget you pass the value na, what is by reading that distance, how much distance you enter, that is enter, that is asking label na. So by reading that one you can enter a distance in the digit format. So how it will collect from the entry widget? By using get method. So that's why self dot kilo entry dot get method we are using. After that it can store into a, it can convert into a float typecasting it is going on here. After that what is the value it will get? So that entire value it can store into a kilo variable, right? Kilo variable. Now miles equal to miles is also one of the variable. Now I have created that one. Now I am converting kilo into 0.6214. 0.6214. So kilo is what actually, what is the input you are given? That input it is taken by the get method and it can assign to the kilo variable. So here miles equal to kilo into 0.6214. So the calculation done. After that the value will store into the miles. Because of it is converting the kilometers into miles, conversion is going on in this function, right? Now I want to show one message, kinter dot message dot show info. The window name is what? Results comma string kilo. It is string, it is printing na on the window. I mean on the window only string based variables it will print, but you are entering the digits na. So that's why str is the typecasting is done. Typecasting is doing here. Plus the kilometers also simply we are using in between double quotes, kilometers, right? Kilometers plus str miles, that miles also it can print, plus in miles, right? So that message it will print on the show info message, show info dialog box. Now I want to create the object kilo underscore converter equal to kilo converter GUI of, right? Now I am saving this one. Entry widget, entry dot py, save as type is all files. Now I am opening command prompt, cd desktop. Now I am executing entry widget. So it is showing no module name inter dot message box. So here I typed wrong mistake while importing the message box, message. Now I am again executing. Name side is not defined, where init method side equal to left na kilo entry pack. So actually carefully observe here, side equal to, just now while typing time a mistake has done, minus it has placed it. So it is carefully observing here, the output is showing na my mouse is moving the enter a distance in kilometers. Here I am giving the value 10 is the kilometers. Now I am clicking the convert button. It is showing one error. Why? Inter has no attribute message. Inter has no attribute message where results str kilometers message. Inter has message. Sorry, message box, that one. Sorry. In the here bugs, these are bugs. We are changing. Here inter dot message box is there na, message is not there. Message box we have. Now I am closing this one. Carefully observe. Now CLS command to clear the screen. Now I am executing entry widget. Sorry. Entry widget. Now it is open na. Now I have entered 10 is the kilometers. Now I want to connect 10 kilometers into miles. So it is showing now 10.0 is the kilometers, 6.21 is the miles. So that is displaying in the proper way. So now the concept is what? Entry widget. Entry widget. Getting input with entry widget. So here all possibilities has done. An entry widget is a rectangular area box, nothing but a text box that the user can type input to. In that we have to enter the input na as a user, right? Next you use the entry widgets get method to receive the data. So if you enter a number in the text box, the get method will collect that value from the entry widget. The get method will collect the whatever which is the data the user entered, the user it can collected by the get method from the entry widget. So here the definition is satisfied now. Here what is the program we have developed? If you enter the kilometers, it is converting. If you enter the kilometer, it is converting into the miles, right? So for that this much code we have to write, right? If you understand the syntaxes, then simply you can develop each and everything. You better to practice this one. Nowadays Python is playing very important role in the market. Easily you can get the job if you understand these syntaxes, right? Now entry widget is also completed. In the next, using labels as a output fields. Using labels as a output fields. When a string var object is associated with a label widget, the label widget displays any data that is stored in a string var object. Carefully observe. Now I am showing one diagram here. Now I am showing one output here. Here the window is looking like that na. Enter a distance in kilometers. Here text box is given na. So in this text box the user enters some value. The kilometers number the user may enter. Okay. So after that you need to click that convert button. The output will present where converted to miles. Here white space is there na. After this label the white space is there na. Here the string variable will represent on the after conversion is over, some value it will get na, that value here it will present. The down output is showing like that na. 621 is here 1000 they entered, 621.4 in the miles, right? After conversion the value it is placing here. So that is the output here, right? Now you understood na about using labels as a output fields. After getting that result, whatever the input you pass it, after immediately you can press the convert button. After that the calculation button it will execute it and it will produce some result. So that result it will place in the labels. Here using labels as a output fields. So that one is also here I have given some examples. You better to practice, right? Same example. Everything is same, but at last a simple small modification we have, right? In the convert method only. In the convert method, Carefully observe. Here convert method is there na. So after getting the miles, where it has printing, after getting the miles, where it has printing, self dot value dot set miles, right? Set miles function it is calling again. Set mile function is where here creating the object, right? Here creating the frames. First here creating the main window object. After that here creating the frames. 3 frames they have created: top frame, mid frame, bottom frame. So 3 frames are created, and after that 2 labels. One label created in the first frame, top frame. In the top frame, one label and one entry created. Nothing but one input field created. After that, packet those 2 variables. After that, those 2 label and entry widgets, those 2 widgets packed with pack method. Next, again one label created in the mid frame. In the mid frame, one label created in the mid frame. After that, self dot value. After that, self dot value is into the string variable function we have called it. So by using string variable function, it can place the output. It can place the output where, carefully observe on the outputs here. So first you enter as an input in this box. After that you need to convert, you need to press the convert button. So after convert button, the callback function, when you click the convert button internally contain one callback function. That callback function will execute it. After that it will generate one result. That result will print here only, converted to miles. After the space we have now, in the label it will print. Down you have one more output. So in that you can see that one. So that is the option this, right? So we have completed 2 parts. We have completed getting input with entry widget, using labels as a output fields. So in the next class, I will explain about the radio buttons and checkboxes. So that is the last class. The syllabus has completed for this semester. Okay, you better to read and practice. Thank you very much. Now I am closing this session.